So the truth is, people are going to be on their phone while they drive. It's just a reality. It doesn't matter how many times you tell them not to do it, they're just going to do it. That's just how humans are. Um, I use my phone for Google Maps because with my job, I have to drive from address to address to address. So I have a lot of places to go. So I need my phone for that reason. But I have a phone holder. And when I look over at other people that are swerving because they're distracted, they are looking down at their phone that they are holding in their hand. You can see them holding it. So those people upset me because these phone holders are like, what, $10 easy, and they last for a long time. I've had a few of them and they just last for a long time. So there's no reason to not have a phone holder so that way at least your hand's free and you can be looking straight ahead instead of looking down. So those people are the problem.